Welcome, kids. Today, we are going to learn the names of different air vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first air vehicle is an airplane. Can you say it with me? Airplane. Great job! Now, let's move on to the next one. Air ambulances. Can you say it with me? Air ambulances. Great job! Now, let's move on to the next one. This is a biplane. Can you say it? Biplane. Fantastic! Let's keep going. Look at this cool little device. It's called a drone. Can you say it? Drone. Well done. We're doing great. Whoa! This one is a fighter plane. Can you say it? Fighter plane. Amazing! We're almost there. This air vehicle is called a glider. Can you say it? Glider. Excellent job. We're getting closer to the end. Look up. It's a helicopter. Can you say it? Helicopter. Fantastic! We're almost there. This colorful air vehicle is a hot air balloon. Can you say it? Hot air balloon. Wonderful! We're almost done. Here we have a monoplane. Can you say it? Monoplane. Great job! We have one more to go. Look at this. It's a parachute. Can you say it? Parachute. Fantastic! We've learned so much today. Last but not least, we have a supersonic jet. Can you say it? Supersonic jet. Amazing job, kids! Let's recap again. Air ambulances. Airplane. Biplane. Drone. Fighter plane. Glider. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. Monoplane. Parachute. Supersonic jet. You've learned the names of different air vehicles. Well done! Thank you for joining us today. Keep learning and exploring the world around you. Please don't forget to view our apps. App link is mentioned in the description. Subscribe, like, share. See you in next video.